Philippines lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle we designed to name of Haliatus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, that's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga pagpang, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila kas po. Palapakan po natin sila kas folks. Ayan. Alright, now i-meet na natin ang ating last raptor. Now may I call on Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. At ayan na yung training niya guys. Now folks, we will show you how they handle. No, Kuya Michael dito is merong kakak. Ano yung Kuya Michael? Toy lizard. Alright, hindi mo ka magsagas Kuya Michael. Once again, may toy lizard si Kuya Michael po. Alright, now boy, for the spice. Okay, now. Pero guys, medyo atindihin lang natin yung si Pagaspas folks ha. Kasi medyo may pagka-shy type kasi ko siya guys. Atindihin lang natin folks. Okay, alright, now boy, Pagaspas. Ayun yung toy lizard mo. Ito Kuya Michael, doon mo sa likod nakatingin eh. Wait, oh, ayan na. Once again, we will show you how they hunt po. Malapit din Kuya Michael. Alright. Oh, wait lang, matiling ulit. Okay na, boy! Ayan na, medyo nagmamasid pa kasi siya guys. Kita niyo, dami tao na ako na. Alright na, boy! Ayan na! Wait lang natin. Okay. Sige. And like I said, we are still working with wild animals, so as much as we can bring them, we don't want to change their behavior. Okay, ayan na, ready na. Ayan na ba yan? Okay na boy, Pagaspas, ayan na yung toy lizard mo. Okay, wait lang folks ha. Again, ito kasi si Pagaspas guys, medyo siya type kasi ito folks. Ayan na. Okay ka Michael, okay ka lang? Okay, o sige. Bigilin pa natin. Okay, mukhang kukunin na natin Kuya Michael. Mukhang nakapag-desisyon na si Kuya Michael, guys. O sige na, Pagaspas. Okay lang natin eh. Okay. Okay lang. Ayan na nga. Alright guys, once again, that is Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Folks, so guys, no once they're in flight, they will lock on and dive on their target talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. The folks, Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based